Hello everyone, my lecture topic is Permanent Commission for Women. Why is it in the news? Recently, Supreme Court has ordered the Indian Coast Guard to induct the women for the Permanent Commission. Previously, the women are not allowed in the Indian Coast Guard. They are allowed for the Short Service Commission in the art and the law field, etc., but not for the Permanent Commission. If we talk about the in 1950, when the India got independence, after the independence the Army Act has been passed and the women are not allowed to serve for the armed forces. This is a stereotype, like armed forces is a male dominating field. So in 1992 the Air Force Act and the Indian Army Act has passed, and it has been allowed that women can serve for the women can serve for the short service commission in the nursing field, in the army, in nursing field. So if we talk about the short service commission, it means that the person can serve the Indian armed forces for the short duration of period of 14 years after they get retired. And permanent commission means that the person can serve the armed forces and to work for their country till the age of retirement, which is 60. If we talk about why it is necessary to induct permanent commission for women, the reason behind is that if some seats are reserved for the women candidate, definitely they will acquire the seat and they will be the inspiration for the young girls who want to pursue the career, of armed forces, pursue the career of armed forces, and they will be the motivation. Also, there is a break in the stereotype in the society. It There is a stereotype in the society, like armed forces are a male dominating field and the women have no work there. But in if we go through the recent example like Surbi Jakmola, they try loco pilot of the Vande Bharat train, and many examples like squadron leader Avni Chaturvedi, who fly the Rafale aircraft, which is a fighter aircraft. They will be the inspiration for the young girls. So it will be a necessary for like Indian Air Force and Indian Army. So Indian Coast Guard also allowed. Supreme Court also allowed also now order the Indian Coast Guard to recruit the women for permanent commission like men. Definitely it will break the stereotype. Also, this will lead to the women upliftment in the society. The upcoming exam of Indian Coast Guard is CGCAT to 2025, and definitely there will be some seat reserved for women for permanent commission. Thank you.